Our archaeological investigations seeks to understand the shipbuilding complex. Not only, of course, the activities that went into shipbuilding, from caulking to the actual building of hulls, but also, of course, the livelihoods of the workers at the shipyard. The importance of the site is not only that we're reconstructing a very historic shipyard, but also that this story tells us about the importance of our Welland canals. As we're heading into a bicentennial anniversary with the opening of the first Welland Canal in 1829, our duty, our opportunity here is to tell that story and not only to connect it to the work that we're doing, but to look at the overall historic landscape, the historic environment that transforms our knowledge about the Niagara area. Our summer field course in historical archaeological field methods is about training students in not only the tools and techniques of undertaking archaeological investigation, but also in the processing of finds, the understanding of landscapes, and of course, reading historical objects. Both the quantity and the quality of the artifacts we're finding in OA3 is truly redefining what we know about shipyards, but also, of course, about this particular site area. The quantity of ceramics and glassware, we are finding ironworked materials, we are locating a great deal of bone as well, and of course also some random objects, toy figurines and beads, which again is telling both about our social history but also about our industrial heritage.
My degree focuses a lot on what we like to call in our program, very top-down perspective. So we look down from the textbook perspective, we look at numbers, we look at sort of the broader view, but this helps us look at sort of a human view and what we call a bottom-up view, because we're looking like as if we're actually in that position. I've only been living in St. Catharines for about a year now, so I never really knew much about St. Catharines history. I knew the basics from my other courses, but this really helps me get a better perspective of what the culture was like and what the history of the area is like because of this course. And it helps me really just have a better knowledge and better base understanding of sort of what's happening in the world during my various courses.
So we encourage the public to join us on our open days to witness this history, to meet the team, and to, of course, tour the excavation areas as well as some of the artifacts and some of the background histories to the site. It provides us an opportunity to share the results in real time with you, but also to engage you in the importance of this history and the value of our archaeological heritage.